Hello, in this video I will guide you how to add accounts into MKT Tube. So first that you can go to account management and you create a new category. From now you can put the name in and click the plus. It will show the name here and you can turn the window off. Go to add accounts. You can copy all the accounts you have and you can paste it to the software. Next step, you need to choose the category you want to save the accounts to, and then you can select the format. My format accounts, it starts with the Gmail and the password, and you can click the blue button to save all the accounts. When it's success, you can turn off the window and click on the circle one, choose the category and load all the accounts you have. If you want to paste a proxy, you can right mouse click and you can paste one to one. And if you want to use a dynamic proxy, you can go to system setting and go to IP configuration, and you can choose the website you want to put the API in to affect the IP. If you have any questions, you can text me in Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you.